Hi, my name is Michaela. I'm the director for On Call Counsel. We're always looking for great candidates like you to join our clients. Check out our latest opportunity.
We have a great opportunity for transactional attorneys. Some responsibilities include assisting with the coordination of procurement activities required for the processing of assigned procurement portfolios, assisting in the development of appropriate planning tools, strategies, reports, charts, and logs, as well as maintaining procurement databases such as Passport and the Office of Contracts Procurement Tracking System. If you have been recently admitted to practice in New York, have a demonstrated interest in doing contracts and/or procurement, and have excellent legal writing skills, you can be a great fit for this role.
We are aiming to fill this role immediately, as is our client, so this opening probably won't last long. Please apply as soon as possible, and we're looking forward to meeting you.